Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about blockchain use cases, and I will split this topic into two parts so that videos are not gonna be so long. For the part 1, our content is supply chain and provenance, retail, manufacturing, financial services and banking, and we'll see securities and trading, and we'll see use cases in real estate. Let's start with supply chain and provenance. Some ways that blockchain technology can benefit supply chains and provenance include traceability. It provides a tamper-proof and transparent record of the movement of goods through the supply chain. Security. It can be used verifying the authenticity of goods and preventing fraud and counterfeiting. Collaboration and communication among participants. Blockchain can improve collaboration across different organizations in the supply chain thanks to seeing all data transparently. The real-life example can be Alibaba. It started using blockchain technology to improve traceability of customer orders. Retail. Let us see some of the use cases. Inventory and product traceability. Blockchain provides real-time traceability of inventory and product movements from origin to consumer. Customer loyalty programs. It can provide a secure and tamper-proof customer rewards and points. Identity and access management. Blockchain can provide a secure authentication and access control for employees, suppliers, and customers. Data sharing and interoperability. It can also provide a secure and transparent data sharing among different stakeholders. Anti-counterfeit measures. It also can make systems secure tracking of products to prevent counterfeiting. A real-life example can be Walmart. Walmart Canada has been using DLFright. It's basically a blockchain network for the past 2 years as a single source of truth for all network participants. Invoice disputes decreased by 70 times after its implementation. Manufacturing. Let us see some of the use cases. Quality control and assurance. It can provide a secure tracking of products to ensure quality and prevent defects. Maintenance and service. Using blockchain is a secure way of tracking of maintenance and service records for equipment and machines. Inventory and product traceability. It can also provide real-time traceability of inventory and product levels. A real-life example can be odometer. It's a device that measures the distance a vehicle has traveled. Odometer fraud results in manipulation of the mileage on many vehicles. To prevent this, Bosch connected a car to a blockchain to read its mileage data. Financial services and banking. Let us see some of the use cases. Faster and more efficient transactions. Using blockchain, making cross-border payments and other transactions are faster and less costly thanks to peer-to-peer transactions. Improved settlement processes. Using blockchain provides more efficient and secure way of clearing and settlement. Enhanced security. Secure record keeping of financial transactions and reduction of fraud and errors. It also provides a way of facilitating real-time auditing and monitoring. A real-life example can be Wells Fargo and HSBC. They entered a strategic agreement to optimize settlement of foreign exchange transactions and reduce settlement risk. Let us see some of the use cases for securities and trading. First potential use case is security and transparency, providing a transparent and secure infrastructure for asset trading. New instruments. Using blockchain is effective in the emergence of new investment instruments, such as digital assets. Reliability. It can enable trade and agreements to take place in more reliable environment through software. Data recording. It can be used for safe and transparent recording of order information and trade data. A real-life example can be Nasdaq. The company has created Link, a blockchain-based platform that enables private companies to issue and manage shares using blockchain technology. Let us see real estate use cases. The first one is digital records of property ownership. Tamper-proof records of property helping to improve the efficiency and security of ownership transfer, as well as reducing the need for intermediaries. Fractional ownership. Tokenization of real estate enabling fractional ownership, making it more accessible for individuals to invest in properties. Automation. Smart contracts automating the process of buying and selling real estate, reducing the need for intermediaries and increasing transparency. Real-life example. A real-life example can be a city in Vermont. The US implemented a pilot study to test the blockchain technology on recording real estate sales. One of our goals is to eliminate title insurance need and make the title transfer secure. All right, I know it's a lot of information. We are trying to see the real life examples. And what you can understand, we are actually trying to create a transparent system so that it can be secure and tamper-proof. So that's going to do it for this video. I will see you in the second part of potential use cases of blockchain.